Why is it when you jump, you come back to the ground instead of going into space?
The simple answer, gravity.
Gravity is a force that attracts two objects towards each other.
It keeps us on the ground, but it can also keep things in orbit, like planets or satellites.
If another object's force is greater though than gravity, the object will go flying.
Today, we're going to do a small simulation where a force, this magnet, opposes gravity and makes a paperclip look like it's floating in midair.
Let's get started. So for this experiment, you'll need a cardboard box, magnets, string, and some paper clips.
You might also want plain white sheets of paper to make your rocket ship and your space background, as well as some coloring utensils. Your first step is to put the magnets on top of the box. Then you're going to tie your paper clip to your string, and then you're going to measure out your string approximately 1/2 inch to 1 inch from the top of the box. Make sure that you can feel the magnets pulling on the paperclip so that your paperclip doesn't succumb to the forces of gravity. And then finally, you're going to tape the string to the bottom of the box, and voila!
As you can see, the force from the magnets is stronger than the force of gravity, so the paperclip appears to be floating.
However, if you move the paperclip farther away from the magnets, the force from the magnets gets weaker and the paperclip falls to the ground. This is why astronauts can float in the space station, because they're far away from Earth, so the force of gravity is weaker.
Now let's make some space-themed backgrounds for our simulation.
I just finished drawing a space background as well as a little rocket for our paperclip, which is now flying through space.
If you're in a classroom, take turns putting your picture in the box and send us a picture of your creation. We'd love to see them.